How to generate a random number with JavaScript. So first is first. Looking at the docs, we'll need a method called Math.random. So that's Math.random. So we can read what it does. It says it's a static method that returns a floating point pseudo-random number that's greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1 with approximately uniform distribution over that range, which of course you can then scale to your desired range. So the main point is this. It generates a floating point pseudo-random number that's greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. So what this does is that we're having something like between, you can say between 0 and 1, something like that. 0, anything between 0 and 1, and can also be 0. So you can do this. You can say let random number equals to math.random, and you can console the log random number. Okay, then saved. Then you can come here. You can come here. Okay, then you can console. You can inspect it and check the console, and we have a random number here, 0.4758. So let's say we want a random number between 0 and 5. It will be something like this. We can just say can say a random number between. You can say random number. You can say random number equals. You can say random number times 5. Let's see what we got here. So can load it. So this is between 0 and 5. You can keep reloading. See 0.767, reload 0.328, reload 4.37, reload 0.83, reload 1.021, reload 2.25. So we can easily make it a one-liner. Instead of this, we can say match random times 5. Then we can close that, then save. And we will still generate random numbers between 0 and 5. So that's how it works. Thank you.